Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Imagine sipping on that rich, creamy holiday classic, eggnog, but without any dairy or eggs. Yes, it's totally possible. Our vegan eggnog recipe delivers all the festive cheer and comforting flavor you love, minus the traditional ingredients. It's surprisingly simple to make, incredibly delicious, and perfect for everyone at your holiday table. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this delightful, plant-based twist on a timeless favorite. The secret to a luscious vegan eggnog lies in its base ingredients. We'll start with full-fat canned coconut milk. Its richness beautifully mimics traditional cream. Then, unsweetened almond or oat milk provides the perfect liquid foundation, keeping things light yet flavorful. For sweetness, a natural option like maple syrup or agave nectar blends seamlessly. These simple swaps create a beverage that's wonderfully smooth and utterly satisfying, proving you don't need dairy for that iconic texture. What truly makes eggnog, well, eggnog, are those warm, inviting spices. Freshly grated nutmeg is non-negotiable. Its distinct aroma is the heart of this drink. We'll also fold in a dash of ground cinnamon and just a tiny pinch of cloves to deepen the flavor profile. Don't forget a splash of pure vanilla extract, which elevates all these elements, creating a harmonious and truly festive taste. Adjust these spices to your liking for your perfect holiday beverage. Achieving that signature frothy texture is incredibly easy with a blender. Simply combine all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. Blend them thoroughly until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has a lovely, light froth on top. This aeration is key for a delightful mouthfeel. Once blended, it's crucial to chill your vegan eggnog for at least 4 hours or even overnight. This allows the flavors to fully meld and deepen, making it truly irresistible. Once your vegan eggnog is perfectly chilled, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Pour it into your favorite festive glasses, maybe a nice clear mug or a classic punch cup. For that final, inviting touch, sprinkle a little extra freshly grated nutmeg or a dash of ground cinnamon on top. A beautiful cinnamon stick can also add a lovely visual element and a subtle aroma. Serve it cold, relax, and savor this wonderfully festive, plant-based treat throughout the holiday season. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.